Have you ever found yourself fumbling to answer a question that you knew the answer to? Preparing yourself with some great open house scripts is crucial to growing your business. As real estate agents, we need to talk to potentially hundreds of people a week. If we're unprepared, it's easy to falter on an easy question. Real estate scripts are a great way to make sure you're always prepared. With the right real estate scripts, you'll be able to generate leads and improve your networking without having to always be on your feet. In this video, I'll give you the ultimate guide to open house scripts, including what situations to use them in and what makes them work. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. So first off, what is an open house script? Every agent knows that open houses are one of the best real estate opportunities. It's not just about selling the open house, it's about finding leads in the area and networking with the neighborhood. But what do you say to get people in the door? What do you say to a buyer who's hesitant? How do you follow up with the leads that you've acquired? We're going to cover all of this and more, starting with number 1, inviting the neighborhood to an open house. So here's the situation. You want the neighborhood to either come to the open house or invite others to the open house. After all, neighbors often know the best fit for the location. At the same time, you also want to make them aware that you're working in the area and that you can help them with anything they need. So here's the script. Hi there, John. I'm Kyle Handy from eXp Realty. You may have seen the open house sign in your neighborhood. I wanted to let you know that we have an open house in your neighborhood at 123 Main Street on Saturday. We'd love you to come by. Not only did we think that you might want to get to know your next neighbor, but we thought you might know somebody who might be interested in the property. So here's an explanation about why that works. Most homeowners are going to think, why should I go to this open house event? I'm not looking to buy, but a lot of them have a vested interest in knowing their next neighbor. This will get them thinking about whether there might be people they know who might want to purchase a home in their area. You may also want to ask them if they themselves may be potential sellers. Script number 2, greeting guests at the open house. So here's the situation. Potential buyers have shown up at the open house. Perfect. Whether it's a real life open house or a virtual open house, you now need to engage them and build a rapport. So here's your script. Welcome to the open house. We have refreshments in the kitchen, and I'm here to answer any questions you have about the property. Let me know if you want a personal tour or if you'd rather take a look around yourself. We've got a lot of interested buyers today, so we are asking for offers to be put in by Sunday. So here's the explanation. If you have a busy open house, you probably can't give a personal tour to everyone, but you can offer. Make sure they know that you're available for any questions and imply that the property may be going soon. That gives them a sense of urgency. Script number 3, asking for sign-ins at the open house. So here's the situation. To properly generate leads as an agent, you need contact information. But people today are very wary of giving their contact information to someone. They think they're going to be spam called. As people walk in, you should immediately turn the conversation toward the sign-up sheet. And here's the script for doing that. Here's our sign-up sheet. Please put your contact information down here. We have an incredible number of great listings, and we can keep you apprised of information about this listing. And here's why that works. The easiest way to get past objections is simply not to see them. You don't ask them to put their contact information down. Instead, tell them that you're doing so. You then tell them to expect a phone call about the listing. If they object to giving you their phone numbers, ask for an email address instead. For a great sign-in sheet for your next open house, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 5, finding out more about buyers. So here's the situation. Buyers are looking around the property, but they don't seem to see what they want. You need to engage with them to find out what they like and dislike. So here's the script. Can you see yourself in this house? Is there anything you feel it's missing? If you were going to make an offer on this house today, what would you say needs to be changed? Here's the explanation. You need to drill down to what is causing the buyer's hesitancy. You can defeat many common objections. This space seems too small. Well, actually, this space can be a dual-purpose space, but you gotta know their objections. There's nothing you can do if you don't know what they're thinking. Number 6, engaging buyers who are just looking. Here's the situation. You have buyers at your open house, but they say they're just looking or they aren't ready to buy. How can you keep them engaged? So here's your script. That's great. It's always good to look first and get a sense of the market. Are there things about this property that you're looking for? Things that you dislike? I have a few listings that you might like in Spring Branch, as well as another upcoming open house at 123 Main Street. Here's why that works. In this script, you validate what they're doing, looking without intent to buy, while still pushing them to think more about what they want. As they think about what they want, they may become more eager to commit. Script number 7, getting an appointment with buyers who are interested. Here's the situation. You think buyers are interested, but they need an extra push to commit. Before they're out the door, you want to make sure you're able to secure another touch point. So here's the script to do just that. This house is going to go fast, so we need offers in by Sunday. When would you like to schedule a time to talk about the property and what you need? Here's an explanation of that situation. Once again, you create a sense of urgency and you create an opportunity for further communication. You don't ask them if they want to talk about the property, you presume that they do. Number 8, getting an appointment with buyers who are uninterested. Here's the situation. You get the feeling that the buyers are uninterested in the property. There's a major deal breaker about the property already has offers, it's too small, it's out of their budget, it's just not the right one. So here's the script you use in this situation. Thank you for touring the house with us today. I have a few similar listings in the area. Let's schedule a time to look at them. We can meet at 4 p.m. at the coffee shop at the corner of Post and Main, and I can arrange a tour. I think those are more in line with what you're looking for anyways. Here's the explanation. Offer to show them other properties with confidence. You should presume that they aren't going to say no. The more detailed your plan, the more likely the buyer is to agree. You want to make it easy for a potential buyer to say yes to you. Number 9, follow up calling buyers. Here's the situation. The open house attendees have all gone home and either no offers have come in or not the offers that you're looking for. Now is the time for an agent to start pushing for their client. So here's the script you can use. Hi there, it's Kyle. You attended our open house at 123 Main Street last week. I just wanted to follow up with you to find out whether you found what you're looking for. Was there anything you wanted to ask me about the property? Here's how that works. At this stage, you don't want to presume they aren't interested. Instead, you want to get the prospect to tell you what's holding them back. If they have valid reasons not to want the property, you can steer them towards others. But until then, you should still assume that they may be a lead for your original listing. Alright, so an open house is a great opportunity for networking for a real estate business. But if you're not prepared for your open house guests, you may not be able to secure those leads. Real estate scripts are common because they're effective. Over time, you'll start to get a feel for what script works best for you. You'll also learn how to build a rapport with a guest faster. Practice going through your scripts with another real estate agent. You can take turns being the potential client and asking unexpected questions. Your goal is to never be unprepared for a given question. Ideally, a realtor wants to be able to get contact info for a person, ensure another meeting, or give them information about another listing. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions that I get about real estate open house scripts. Do open house scripts really work? A real estate open house script works by standardizing your approach, so you can improve it as desired. You may find that one script works much better than another, or that you need to change your scripts depending on who you're talking about. Every popular brokerage from Keller Williams Realty to eXp Realty will have scripts available to help you negotiate and think on your feet. Next, how do I write a real estate script? Well, begin by addressing what your lead wants to know. Often, a lead is uncertain about something or hasn't disclosed information that you need them to. Be as open as possible and ask questions rather than presuming things about a buyer or a seller. When an agent assumes, they can cut themselves off from the best outcome. What shouldn't you do in a real estate script? Today's agent should usually refrain from hard sales tactics. The modern prospective client is already resistant to things like pushy sales. They aren't likely to have a positive response to high pressure. Instead, agents should position themselves where they are, as someone trying to find the best solution to their problems. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Do you have a good open house script that you find works well? Share in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.